Hello and welcome! I'm really excited that you've decided to start learning Scratch with me.
Whether you're a learner, a teacher, a parent, or simply someone who is curious about programming, you're in the right place. Now, before we start creating games, animations, and exciting projects, let's first answer a very important question. What exactly is Scratch?
Well, let me ask you something. Have you ever played a game on a phone or computer? Maybe you've watched a cartoon, used an app, or visited a website? All these things were created by people who know how to program computers. Programming is simply the process of giving instructions to a computer so that it can perform tasks for us. The challenge is that many programming languages can look complicated when you're just starting. You may see lots of strange symbols, brackets, and commands. And that is where Scratch comes in. Scratch is a free programming language and online community created by the MIT Media Lab. It was designed to help people learn programming in a fun and easy way. Instead of typing complicated code, Scratch allows us to create programs by dragging and joining colorful blocks together. Think of it like building with toy blocks. You simply take one block and connect it to another. As you connect more blocks together, you create instructions that tell the computer what to do. That means you can start programming without worrying about spelling mistakes or difficult programming syntax. One of the reasons I love Scratch is that it makes programming accessible to everyone. You don't have to be a computer expert. You don't need a university degree. You don't even need previous programming experience. If you can drag and drop with a mouse, you can learn Scratch. Now, you might be wondering, what can I actually create with Scratch? The answer is quite a lot. With Scratch, you can create stories, animations, quizzes, games. In fact, throughout this course, we're going to build many of these together. And the best part is that you'll learn programming concepts without even realizing how much you're learning. Scratch is used in schools all over the world because it helps learners develop important skills. For example, it helps you learn problem solving, logical thinking, creativity, and a lot more. These skills are useful not only in programming, but also in everyday life. Another thing I want you to understand is that Scratch is not just for children. Many teachers use Scratch to create learning activities. Parents use it to teach their children coding. And many beginners use Scratch as their first step into the world of software engineering. So don't think of Scratch as a toy. Think of it as a powerful learning tool that introduces you to real programming concepts. As we continue through this course, you'll learn how to make characters move, create animations, build quizzes, design games, and eventually create complete projects from scratch. But for today, I simply want you to understand one thing. Scratch is a fun and beginner-friendly way to learn programming by creating projects using colorful drag-and-drop blocks. And if you stay with me throughout this course, you'll be surprised by what you'll be able to create. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. We learned that Scratch is a free programming language. Scratch was created by the MIT Media Lab. Scratch uses colorful blocks instead of typed code. In our next lesson, we're going to create a Scratch account and explore the Scratch website together. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with others who would like to learn Scratch. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.